I'm going to do these. Hopefully that helps you. I have a video, but it's bad. Basically, this is square root of 25, which is 5. Square root of x squared, there's 2 of them. There's 2x and 1 y. So 1 comes out. What's left is the y that's inside. Okay? You should be doing this on a separate sheet of paper. So I'm going to wipe this out so I can do the next problem here, 26. Okay, you can't white them out. So 26, I would do the square root of 90 first, and then there's 4x. I hope you notice the shortcut in this, instead of writing it out each time. I would do 9 and 10, and then do 3 and 3. And notice that 2 and 5 does not make a pair, so you just automatically leave it at 10. So you don't have to do that. But if you need to, I think this group.
Rodriguez,
So
come to the
3
attendance
comes
office.
out.
Your ride is waiting. Nicholas Rodriguez,
X squared,
your
because there's
ride
2
is
of them.
waiting.
And 1 y. Y comes out. 1 survived. 2 comes out. 1 survived. What's left is this number, the 10. Okay. And then 27. Okay, so you take the square root of 81, which is 9. 3x. And 4y. I hope you start seeing a pattern. I'll show you the shortcut tomorrow. That's an x there. 1y survived. Oh, another one survived. There's 2 of them survived. Okay, what's left is this x there. Square root of x. That's okay. And then 24. Square root of 24. XX. Y. There's 6 of them. Hope you guys figure out the shortcut in all this. Okay. You can use anything. 2 and 12, 4 and 6. I would stop here because, 2 and 2, but you don't know that yet. Keep doing it until you recognize a pattern that's consistent. Okay, so that's 2 square root of 6. And x, one of them. Y, there's 1, 2, 3. Y to the 3rd power. Okay, number 29. I'm going to erase this because I don't have enough room. Square root of 15. X, 1x, and 3 y's. Okay. 15, there's nothing that makes 15. 5 and 3 only, and it doesn't pair up, so it stays 15. The x stays there too, and there's no other pair. The y, there's one of them. Y to the 1st, or just y, 1y. And the y that's inside, that's left in there. Stays in, and that's the answer there. Okay. You're supposed to do this on a separate sheet of paper. Don't crumple it all together. Here is 3 times whatever the square root of 500 is. Put it right here. I do 5 times 100. And there's 8 of them. If there's 8 of them, you got 4 pairs. If there's 8 of them, you got 1, 2, 3, 4. So x to the 4th power, there's 4 of them. And y, there's 1 of them. X, y in standard form. Now 100 is 10 times 10. I can stop here because that pairs up, so 10 there. And what's left is the 5 inside. Like that. Okay. And then cross out the answer on there. And then the square root, this last one. Oh, I forgot to times 3. Uh-oh, let's see, go back. Forgot to times 3 here. Times 3, which makes it 30. 30, x to the 4th, y square root of 5. Okay. All right. Then negative 2. Okay, this is negative 2 times whatever answer it is. Square root of 121 is 11. There's 3 of them. So 2 of them is 1. And this is left inside. There's 2. And there's a y there. So x there's left. I mean x there, that's left. That's in there. And so x is still inside. That's your answer there. Okay? So if you get stuck with this, if you haven't noticed the pattern, you just divide this by 2. You divide this by 2. Let me show you. 60 is 2 and 30. 5 and 6. 2 and 3. That's 60, right? So the answer is 2. The square root of what's left inside is the 5 and the 3, which makes 15. And you divide, that's 4 of them. If you have 8 of them, makes sense. If you have 8 of them, you have 4 pairs. Divide by 2, this is 4. So n to the 4th, like that. That's your answer. Cross it out. Right there, okay? And then you don't have to worry the bottom part. I need you to cross it out to find the answer. All right, and then make sure you do your review sheets and have a video on it. And on the video, it does all this one and all these ones, okay? So make sure you use the video to help you answer these questions and on. Oops.